Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. The St. Andrews Central Police are keeping a close watch on Hagley Park Road and Ambrook Lane following Friday's fatal shooting on a Jamaican worker employed to China Harbour Engineering Company Czech. A Chinese national involved in the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project was also shot and injured during the incident. Here is TVJ's Kelisha Williams.
Usually congested during peak hours on a Friday evening, but that was not the case along Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew yesterday. Police cordoned the area, blocking traffic on both sides. It comes minutes after gunmen shot and killed a Jamaican worker employed to China Harbour Engineering Company Czech. He has been identified as 23-year-old Milton Lawrence, otherwise called Jamario Ortero. Investigators say Mr. Lawrence was carrying out work on the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project when a Probox motor car drove up. A man got out of the vehicle and opened gunfire. Mr. Lawrence was hit several times and died. A Chinese worker was also shot and injured. The incident is believed to be a reprisal for Tuesday's murder of another construction worker employed to a private contractor on Ambrook Lane. Following the attack, the police conducted a raid on Ambrook Lane in search of suspects. The cops say they will be maintaining a presence along Hagley Park Road during the road improvement exercise to prevent any further attacks. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.